In autumn 2021, Bosch Rexroth opened the Customer Benefits Center in Ulm. Bringing the Cube to Hanover was therefore the key focus for the company's appearance at this year's International Trade Fair. Inspired by the slogan, "We move, you win," spatial and multimedia installations called Move Patterns bring the brand dynamically to life. As a central element of their exhibition stand, the Boulevard of Benefits formed a virtual bridge from Ulm to Hanover. A choreography combining the kinetic move patterns and their digital twins symbolizes the parallels between physical processes and their virtual simulations. A kinetic installation captures the visitor's movements and enables a playful interaction with the brand. Gesture-controlled LED walls tease the main themes of the exhibition in the form of short videos. The installations are all played in sync at regular intervals. Then, a swarm of kinetic and multimedia move patterns draw the viewer's attention to the stage. There, at the end of the boulevard, a large panorama LED wall takes the Cube visitors on a journey to Ulm. Here, in an innovative factory shop floor, Bosch Rexroth provides insights into the near and long-term future of factory automation. From there, the moderator takes to the stage, surrounded by real and virtual robots. In the exhibition and consultation areas of the exhibit, a family of dialogue furniture developed especially for Bosch Rexroth is used for the first time. Its design language takes its cues from the move patterns. The construction and materials are conceived in such a way that the furniture can be reproduced anywhere in the world with limited resources. The use of wood, the reusable modules and the local production ensure the sustainability of the dialogue furniture. With its mix of high-tech poetry and dialogue spaces, the exhibit convincingly engages with the brand, mission and people of Bosch Rexroth and brings it back full circle. After Hanover, the Cube is making its way back to Ulm.